Alright, here's a quick review of just a cheap Amazon bidenwatch that I've purchased. I just want to show you the way I received the watch. Comes in a little box. Brand name is Biden. Time never stop. Yeah. It's going in the garbage. Alright, so here is the watch. Comes with a little tool to adjust the metal bracelet and a little instruction in there. Alright, so here received the watch. I've already sized it as a butterfly clasp. Lines are pretty good. Alright, so here's a chronograph on it. As you can see, the second hand isn't aligned properly, which is down here. If I reset it, it only goes back to 27-second mark instead of going all the way to 60. Just want to do a quick review and show how it's reset. You're gonna pull the crown on the second position. First is for the date. Second, when it stops ticking, means you are in the second setting zone, which is where you're gonna hit the bottom pusher and manually reset the second hands to 0. Alright, I went too far. If you pass 60, the hour marker here will start moving, so at this point just hold on until you reset all the way, both of them at 60 second mark. So keep going. I apologize, I know you don't need to waste your time on this, but I'm just doing a quick review on the cell phone, so no edits gonna happen on this video. Alright, when you get closer to 60, try not to do it. Alright, here we go on the last of the few seconds. As you can see, the hour mark already on 60. Alright, we're getting almost there. And one more right there. As you can see, both are on 60. I'll set the time later. Right now, just start the clock again. Alright, it's in. Yeah, just make sure to set that chronograph, pull the crown on the second position, or second, or until it stops ticking. Here you can see. There we go. We have set our chronograph. Seconds started at 60. Before it was at 27-second mark. And this is hourly marker. So here we go. If we reset it perfectly, now it goes to 60. Before it was going to 30. So I just wanted to show you. Purchased this on Amazon. It was pretty cheap, 25 bucks. It's all steel, stainless steel casing, stainless steel bracelet. Everything solid. I've been wearing it for a few days. No issue. Keeps the time well. Bezel works. Good clicking sound. Nothing cheap. It lines up perfectly as well. A little bit of play, but oh well, for 25 bucks. It's a bidenwatch. Doesn't matter. There we go.